In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your PayPal email address. If you need to update the email connected to your PayPal account, this process is very quick and simple. Maybe you no longer use your old email or you just want to keep your account information current. Either way, PayPal lets you make this change directly from your account settings in just a few moments. To begin, sign into your PayPal account as you normally would. Once you're on the main account screen, look toward the top right-hand corner of the page and click the gear icon. This is the settings area, and it's where you can manage important account details like your personal information, security settings, and contact information. After you click the gear icon, you'll be taken to your account settings. Here, find the section that shows your email address. Next to your current email, click Edit. This will open the option to update the email connected to your account. Now enter your new email address carefully. Make sure you type it correctly, because this email may be used for account notifications, payment confirmations, and login-related communication. Using an email address that you have access to is important so you don't miss any updates from PayPal. Once you've entered the new email, confirm the change. After that, your new email will be added or updated, and that's it. Your PayPal email address has now been changed. As a quick tip, after making the change, it's a good idea to check your inbox for any confirmation message from PayPal. In some cases, you may need to verify the new email address before it becomes fully active on your account. If you don't see the message right away, check your spam or junk folder as well. Also, take a moment to review that your new email is listed correctly in your account settings. This helps make sure everything was saved properly and avoids any issues later when receiving notifications or signing in. And that's all there is to it. As you can see, changing your PayPal email address is a straightforward process that only takes a minute when you know where to look. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.